Halo, gimana Tong?
Liburan yuk, bosen di rumah.
Iya nih, gue juga bosen. Mau kemana dulu?
Ke Karimun Jawa asik nih. Gue ada planning ke sana.
Kapan?
Tanggal 18 April bisa nggak?
Sama siapa aja?
Sama anak-anak IBN aja.
Boleh tuh. Udah dikabarin dulu aja anak-anak.
Udah, ntar gue kabarin ya.
Oke, siap.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oh, you heard what they say. For the more things change, the more they stay the same. Ain't that a shame? I've been good for some time. I'll be lying if I said that you ain't on my mind. Just gonna give it some time. Feeling like I'm running.
I see those tears in your eyes, and I feel so helpless inside.
Kita membaca doa bersama-sama untuk keselamatan kita agar bisa sampai tujuan dengan selamat dan balik lagi ke Jogja dengan selamat. Amin. Tuh. Bisa pitek ya berarti.
Please welcome Kygo and Imagine Dragons! Hey, this is Imagine Dragons. This is Kygo.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening.
Selamat pagi, selamat datang di kota Jepara. Kota penuh mebel. Siap masa mer.
Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me.
I'm on my second guess.
But I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips, and now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why. It hurts me every time I see you, realize how much I need you. Only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face, tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. No, I'll never be like you, never be like
Nobody else above you. I hate body, 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 body.